We'll start with the 11th standard economics, elasticity of demand, second lesson. So this elasticity of demand explains the rate of a change in the quantity of demand due to the given change. So that means according to the quantity, that means 100 ml ku 20 rupees na, 200 ml ku it will become a 50 rupees. That's what, according to the quantity of that demand, the price also will change. Otherwise, according to the price, demand also will changes. So next, what is the next topic is elasticity or more elastic. That means if a demand increases, large amount demand increases more, if it means a little fall in the price. For example, anything fall in the price, if they are giving a discount, means all will go on buy. That's what, little fall in the price, demand will increases. Vice versa, if a little high, that means price is increasing little, means for example, one dress in the if in the discount period it will come at 200, means without discount it's 500, means nobody will buy. That's what the meaning is. So next is types of elasticity: price elasticity, income elasticity, and the cross elasticity, and advertisement elasticity. First we'll go for the price elasticity. Here the price elasticity means a change in the price will be reflected in the demand. Anything price increases, petrol price increases, means nobody all have to go on by no other way, all has to ride their vehicles. But anything change in the food product or any other product, means for example, you are thinking Maggi is usually 10 rupees one packet will come, small packet. If it goes for 100 rupees, means nobody will pay. So that price will price elastic, because of a price, demand also will be uh, according to the price, demand increases or decreases. For that formula, proportionate change in the quantity of a demand proportion divided by proportionate change in the price. Next, income elasticity. For example, the individual person's income, if he is having a more income, means he'll go and buy more all the product. If income is very less, means he cannot buy. That time demand for any product is not available. You see, now in the corona time, for income is most of the people individual, it is not there. So demand for any product, go and see in the textile or any other shops, go and see, nobody will be there. So according to the income, demand also will be depend. Next, for that formula, proportionate change the quantity demand for a product divided by proportionate change in the income. So next is a cross elasticity. Cross elasticity means any substitute. For example, if anything, for example, Maggie will be buying, all will be very much interested or happy or addicted to that taste of a Maggie. So that Maggie, suppose one packet small Maggie is increase to 100 rupees or maybe 50 rupees, you will think. So if it's 50 rupees, means nobody small packet not be affordable to buy that small packet. If with the same taste, any other Maggie, other company, top ramen, any other coming, means what you'll ignore that Maggie product and go for the top ramen's Maggie and buy. That's what, any substitute, any complementary is there, means demand. For example, in Maggie also, for 10 rupees extra 50 ml will be given, now all will be going and buying. So any substitute, any complementary is giving, mean that time demand also increases. That's what the formula: proportionate change in the demand of commodity X divided by proportionate change in the commodity of Y. That means X product or product X அந்த ப்ராடக்டோட ரேட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஆல் வில் பி கோயிங் டு பை த அதர் சப்ஸ்டியூட், இதே மாதிரி வேற இருக்கிற ப்ராடக்ட் போய் தே வில் ஸ்டார்ட் பையிங். தட்ஸ் வாட். Next, advertisement. Seeing the costly as advertisement, people will start buying. If anything is coming attractively advertisement, means people will tend to buy that one. That's what the formula for proportionate change in the demand divided by proportionate change in the advertisement expenditure. Next is a level or degree of price of elasticity demand, means that means demand will be responsible or possessive means demand will be depend upon the price of a commodity. Commodity or the price which the demand increase or decrease or decided. That's what. So for that first one, perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means the slope will be straight line. If a price increases or decreases, price will be same. Demand only will change. Even for example, even a small change in the price. For example, a gold rate keep on increasing. Go and see in the gold shops. Anybody is there? Nobody will be. That's what. Any slight change in the product or a commodity, demand will decrease it to zero. யாருமே வாங்காத கூட விற்பாங்க. Zero it will become. So next, that's what a perfect elasticity demand. Next is see, that's what they see they the little fall in the price will result in the demand infinitely, and it will also will go in a zero also, parallel line, straight line. Price will be same, slight or up means a demand nil it will become. Next is a perfectly inelastic. Perfectly inelastic means for example, if a price increases or decreases, that doesn't matter, but the demand will keep on increasing. Diamond, you think that all the rich people started buying, it's become a status. For example, two wheelers costs keep on increasing. You think of before 5 years it was 80,000 60,000 two wheeler means, now go on present, go and see mean that same two wheeler has become 90,000. So demand price increases or decreases, but the demand increases. That's what. So for that, see their diagram, price keep on increasing, demand also will be same. Without because that is become a status. According to the price, demand won't decreases or increases. இப்போ உனக்கு வண்டி வேணும்னா அது எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட்லியாக இருந்தாலும் நீ வாங்க போகிற, அதுதான் அங்கே. ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் அ கமாடிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆர் டிக்ரீஸ் அது உனக்கு தேவையில்லை. But you will tend to buy the two wheeler. But demand for the two wheeler will keep on increasing. That's what the perfectly inelastic. Next, relatively elastic. Relatively elastic means proportionate change in the demand of a commodity greater than the proportionate change in the price. Light change in the price. Price la konjam மாறினாலும், but 12 the Maggi product is 10 rupees, but 12 rupees or 15 rupees with if they selling means, அப்போ டிமாண்ட் 100 பேர் வாங்குவாங்கன்னா அதில் 80 பேர் தான் வாங்குவாங்க, 20 பேர் வாங்க. That's what. Any slight change in the price also will be slight change in the demand. அதுதான் அந்த curve it will be அந்த ரெட் கலர் curve slightly down, not steeply down. அப்படியே ஒரேடியாக கீழே இறங்கில, it's slightly slopes, gradually slopes. Next, that's what. Next is a relatively inelastic. Relatively inelastic means, for example, the price of a product is any price of a product is keep on increasing less than the what they usually last month it is a 10 rupees na, this month they keep on increase it to 100 rupees and the commodity price. For example, Pepsi bottle you think, or a fruity if you think, or otherwise we can say that anything what you use usually commonly day to day activity, like what you will use, one cup of a tea is now 10 rupees na, it becomes a 50 rupees it has become. Now what they will do, whoever addicted to tea, most of them will buy. But 100 members buy பண்றவங்க, individual people will 100 people go and buy usually means before increasing 10 rupees tea இருக்கும்போது 100 பேர் போய் வாங்குவாங்க. பட் slight change in the price means அந்த 100 பேர் வாங்காம only 50 members will start buying. That's what the relatively கொஞ்சமா change ஆன கொஞ்சமா price, if it's little change in the price will be adverse, will be affect in the little change in the demand. If a price is little increases means demand also little decreases. Next is a unilateral. Unilateral in the sense, see there, price of a product, any change in the price of a product result in the same proportion. If a price of a product 100 rupees na, according to that demand also. For example, last month 100 rupees na, I'm selling a 100 pens 100 pens na ஒரு பென் வந்து லாஸ்ட் மந்த் வந்து 1 ரூபீனா 100 பென்னு நான் சேல் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். இப்போ this month one pen has become 10 rupees. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவேன், there is no other go, all has to buy the pen to write. So next month also keep on that time how much I have increased, that much demand also will be decreases according to the price. That is called a rectangular hyperbola. Means price increases, keep on increasing na, demand also slightly will come down. The ball pen 1 rupee means last month, this month it is become a 10 rupees na, they will ignore ball pen and they will go and keep on writing a ink pen. That's what. So demand price keep on increase na, demand kammi aite varum. That's what meaning is unilateral. That's it. Next, determinant of elasticity of demand. Determinant of elasticity, the first one is availability of substitute. Availability of substitute mean, for example, any product price is increased. For example, vegetable. For a brinjal, 1 kg has become 50 rupees now. What people will do? Already substitute is then, we no need brinjal, will go for a lady's finger. What they will ignore the brinjal and go. That's what. Any change in the product keep on increasing means buyers will go for a substitute. Next substitute anything is there and they will go and buy. That's what availability of substitute. Next, the proportion of consumer income. For example, if a price of any product increases or decreases, the income of a person increase or decreases, no other way they have to buy. For example, salt. Think that salt is very rate of salt is when compared to other product less only. But if its increases, price is increases or your income is less, also you will definitely buy the salt because there is no substitute for the salt. Next is the number of uses of commodity. For example, milk. You think if a price of a milk is increases means byproduct of milk, what, and butter, curd, ghee and all will be there, no? That and all what will become cheap, it will become. If a milk increases to 1 liter increases to 80 rupees na, and the ice cream, milk, ice cream product, curd and ghee and all will be increasing. So byproduct of a milk also will be increasing. That's what. If it's it become very cheap means people started using a milk and milk product more. Next, a complementary between the goods. So for example, if petrol is there, two-wheeler, you have to put the petrol. So along with the petrol, you have to put the oil, then only you can ride the bike. So if a lubricant, that means oil, that was lubricant oil, if it increases or decreases, that we cannot be avoided because you have to ride the two-wheeler. So the complementary between the goods, if it's given or not given, also you have to buy that whatever it is needed to run the vehicle, you have to use it. So the lubricant oil will be of that price of that lubricant oil is inelastic, also you will be buying. That's what complementary between the goods doesn't matter, but the price, if it's increase or decreases, you will started using. Next, time. So anything that is elastic, inelastic, what so much we study, if it's long term only, this elastic of demand will applicable. Because long term na ஒரு substitute product produce பண்ண முடியும். Short term 1 week 2 week na substitute product எடுத்துன்னு வந்து launch பண்ண முடியாது மார்க்கெட்ல. Long period, if it's for a 1.5 years 2 years na ஒரு substitute they will think manufacture and come and give in the launch. So if it's you want elasticity demand should be there na, long period only applicable, short period it cannot be applicable. Next, measurement of elasticity. First is a percentage elasticity. The formula with tan of Q divided by tan of P and the square then tan வாங்க, இல்லைன்னா change in the quantity divided by change in the P, that means price. Next, total outlay method means that is total revenue income, price multiply quantity sold, that means TR is a total revenue, P per price, Q for quantity sold. Next you can see the table. This table content can be given in the diagram. See their diagram. The first long line, center line is equal. Quantity, demand is equal. Lesser than 1 means your demand is less, price increases meaning. For greater than 1 means a price keep on increasing, your demand is decreasing. So upper segment, lower segment, that's what they given here as a in the table. The point of geometrical in geometrical diagram only they explain this um, outlay method. See the diagram. This diagram will be using upper segment is for a, it is there, you can see the price. Down you can say the quantity. Center one is equal to 1. Upper one is you can see greater than 1. Down is lesser than 1. If it's keep on increasing, M means nobody will be buying. That your demand for your good is 0. Goods, I said na brinjal. If you keep on nobody will buy the brinjal. Will go for lady's finger. For that brinjal become the 0 demand. That's what M will become the 0. That's the given. So L divided by U means lower segment divided by upper segment. L for lower, U for upper. The importance of elasticity demand means first one, this elasticity demand is depend upon what and all it will be according to what the elasticity demand is determines. Means first one, the price fixation. Each seller will be a monopoly, only one product seller will be. You can see the petrol means two, Indian Oil and the Bharat Petroleum. They only will fix the price, so nobody cannot come and compensate. No competition will be. That is the monopoly. The perfect competition won't be there. Whatever two company fix, that only rate. Next, production means whoever producer, they only fix the price according to their profit motive. Next, with distribution means production will be in somewhere, some other state, demand will be in some other state. So for example, in Tirupur, they keep on manufacturing the cloth means demand for that product will be worldwide. So that time distribution factors also determines this price. Next, international rate, one country to another country. Whatever the demand in my country, I have to buy from other country now. For example, you can my country, the all will be manufactured. India is famous for iron product. Iron, worldwide famous for iron. If I want to sell to other country means the price of iron also will be increased because of all transport charges. So next is public finance means if a government is imposing more tax like a GST means for each product price also increases. Last year or before GST, fridge rate and one small 8 liters of a fridge is 10,000. After imposing GST, it has become 18,000. So according to tax also, the price of commodity increases or decreases. Next is the nationalization. All the private sector or anything, if it's there means, if keep on nationalizing the industry means that time also demand elasticity of a demand also will be depend on that nationalization of a industry. So all these are about the elasticity of demand.